Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to update your billing and or how to add funds to your account at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click login and we're already logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. And then to add the funds to your account or to update your billing, you're going to click on the billing button. It's pretty simple. Let's quickly though look at our website. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And we created this blog post. Let's take a quick look at it. And there's a couple reasons why you want to update your billing. Maybe you just want to keep your account in good standing, or you don't want your website to be at risk. Or maybe you want to add funds to your account as to not worry about your credit or debit card being debited. You want to add those funds in so that when it's time that it won't debit your credit card, it'll go to the add funds. And then the steps are real simple. These are some written steps for updating the billing. These are written steps for adding funds. You can add funds through your debit credit card, through your PayPal or Venmo, or you can send a check. We're going to go over these in just a moment. And to find the written instructions, go to our help site at help.dataczar.com. Click on Account Help, and you'll find the written instructions underneath the tutorial video. So let's tab back over. We started on the dashboard. And to update your billing or to add funds, click on the billing button on the main menu. And once you're there, if you want to update your billing, click on Update Card. And then it's pretty simple. You just enter your new card here and you can add a new card. So you can add, a second, third card. After you add the new card, there's a drop down here. And you can select which card you want to set as your default. So it doesn't show it right now because I only have the one card, but if I had multiple cards, I could determine which one I want to set as my default, and that's how you update your billing. And then to add the funds, click on the Add Funds button. And when you add the funds, they're going to show up on your balance after you add them right up here. So enter the amount, let's say $19.95. Oops. And then click on Add Funds. It's as simple as that. You can add it to your credit card. You can add a new payment, add it to the new credit card, and then your balance is going to show right here. The other ways you can do it is you can, instead of entering the amount up here, you enter it down here under Other. And then you can add the funds through PayPal, through Venmo, or pay later through PayPal. I believe it breaks it into 4 payments. And then again, it's going to show up on your balance up here. And the other way is you can just send a check if you prefer. And if you do send a check in the memo section, please include your account number. Your account number will show right here. And then just include that in your memo section and send the check to us. So that is it. That's how you add funds. This is where you go to update your billing, the update card, and that's all done on the billing button on the main menu right here. And then also, quickly, remember to go to our help site. Click on the help button. If you watch the featured tutorial videos, those are excellent. There's about 6 or 7 tutorial videos on getting started with your website, building your website. Several different things. The other thing you can do is click on our Help Center. This takes you to help.dataczar.com. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to find this tutorial video under Account Help. You may know that because you're already watching it. But anyway, click on the website help button. You're going to find the featured tutorial videos here. You can also find all sorts of different tutorial videos. Let's tab back over. Let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to update your billing and or how to add funds to your account at Dataczar Connect.